Welcome to the gated community of SouthGate at Eagles Landing. This home has it all: 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3,600 square feet, open living spaces, and tons of modern luxury throughout. Come on in and let's see it. As soon as you come through the front door, you can feel the modern luxury design all throughout this space. From the 2-story foyer with plenty of light pouring in to your open staircase right here. Immediately when you first come in, you have this dining room. You can fit a large table in here, and we cannot ignore this black accent wall. Coming further in, you have this open living space. We'll show you the living room first. It's a very great sized living room, but the focal point is this fireplace. Absolutely gorgeous. You can design this whole space based around this fireplace. So right through this door, you have your covered patio, and then this is your eat-in kitchen area for informal dining. And another space you have for informal dining is this gorgeous extra large island. It's a waterfall island, beautiful quartz countertops. It is absolutely gorgeous. You have plenty of storage. Right through this door, you have a pantry space. And then here you have your mudroom area, and that door leads out to your 2-car garage. Now this door leads into the bathroom that's connected to this guest room right here on the main level. So a lot of you need this space for guests, maybe aging parents, so it's a very convenient feature of this home. Right through here, we have the bathroom that I just mentioned. That door leads out to the hall. And you have your shower right here. Vanity, really standard bathroom. Now let's head upstairs and see the remaining 4 bedrooms. So now we are upstairs, and like I said, this house has all you need. You have a little loft/landing space right here. You can make it a sitting area, whatever you want. Then we have bedroom number 2 right here. One good thing about bedroom number 2 is it also has an ensuite. So now we go across the hall to bedroom number 3. And I'm still walking because the room is large. So it's a very nice sized room. And it has a walk-in closet. And through this door, you have the Jack and Jill bath that connects bedrooms 3 and 4. And there's also a toilet and shower through that door. So another decent sized room and another very large walk-in closet. So now, we're about to go to the primary suite, but you have your laundry room right there, and it also has its own linen closet. And now let's see the primary bedroom. So when we first come in, you have this, what could be a sitting area. Just ignore the ladder, pretend it's not there, okay? But this could be a sitting area, whatever you want it to be. As long as you have the space, you can make it your own. And then here is the primary space where your bed would go. One unique feature about this room, you can't ignore the ceiling. The tray ceiling and the beautiful oak looking panels up there really marries well with the oak color floor. Loving the light natural feel of that. And it goes seamlessly with this bathroom. Right through here first, you have a very deep closet. There aren't any shelves in here yet, but you can kind of imagine how much you can put in this space. Now we're back in the bathroom. Very long vanity there, and it all ties so well with this beautiful natural color brick. And then you have your standalone tub right here and this very long shower. This is an HOA community. It has the gate, the playground, and a swimming pool for about $1,300 a year. If you're interested in this home, give me a call. We can work out an amazing deal for you.